Ibon.
Okay, next. This is pocket notebook. So hindi pala, notebook lang. Go.
Noto.
Noto, mahaba. And pocket notebook is
Wait lang, move ko lang po yung screen ko. Techo.
very good. Techo is pocket notebook. And then business card is Mishi. And then pencil is
Emputsu.
MP.
Emputsu.
Okay, so you know, letter N followed by P. So the sound can be Empitsu.
Emputsu.
Okay, now let's have some more. Okay, how do you say ball pen in Japanese? That is
Wait lang po. Boru. Borupen.
Borupen, very good. How about clock or watch?
Okay.
Okay, and then we have sharp pencil or mechanical pencil.
Shapu Penchiru.
Okay, shapu penchiru. And then we have key is
Kagi.
kagi. And then umbrella is
Kasa.
kasa. Bag is
Kabang.
then we also have television. Terebi. Okay, and then radio is
Radio.
Oo. So, madali mo lang, sounds like, in English. Okay, this one is, car is?
Rep ba ito?
So, this is kuruma.
Kuruma.
And then we have chair is? Isu. Correct, isu. And then desk? Tsukue. And then we have chocolate? Chocoreto. Okay, how about coffee? Kohi. And then we have, this time is souvenirs.
Omiyage.
Okay, so those are some of our vocabularies in lesson 2.